Hello, I'm Suzanne Peck, Director of Homefield Grange Health and Wellness Spa Retreat. The demands and pace of life can often leave us feeling quite simply frazzled, but taking time out of a busy schedule so one can focus on their own mental and physical well-being has never been more valuable than now. The Mind Body Restorer program is designed to relax your mind and reshape your body. It offers meaningful me time that will help reset for you better ways of eating and moving, and it will change your perspective about yourself and your health and your life. Here you'll practice meditation, mindfulness skills, things which you need to cope with the everyday challenges of life. You can juice cleanse, or you can eat a clean diet that will assist your hormones to balance. It will help your gut health and your brain chemistry. You'll learn lots of good info on how to take care of yourself the best way possible through things like our health talks. You'll learn loads in our food demonstrations as well. There are some fabulous restorative therapies included within this package that help you put back in. It will give you the time to rest and refocus. Homefield is of course a professional but a very cozy, relaxed retreat set in beautiful natural countryside. It's the perfect place to connect back to yourself. It's got a wonderful spa which has everything in it you need to help you download and disconnect, switch off from the outside world whilst enjoying learning, new lifestyle habits. You'll be supported during your stay and post-stay with a 30-day stay on track program, and you'll be given access to an exclusive membership site which has been built just for our guests. It's filled with good food ideas, mindset tips for staying on track long term. If you need a place and the space to remember who you are, it will be our absolute pleasure to help you come home to yourself whilst you're here at Homefield.